Hi guys, I'm Dhruv. I'm a Python trainer QSpiders from Kolkata. So today one of my student called Debapriya, he got placed in one of the company as a junior associate. So come let's see like how he felt in this QSpiders.
My name is Debapriya Ghara. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. Then I did my B.tech in electrical engineering from Technology Soltech with like 78%. Now after that I joined this QSpiders Kolkata in full stack development Python. Now this experience was really good. All the trainers, our groups was really good. And all the teachings and all the members of my class are so friendly. They helped me so much. Then also we did some grooming sessions, so like prepare for the interviews and all. And also like in every month there were like mocks that were being taken. All those helped me to get this job actually. And so thankful for everyone present in this.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All the best for your future.